Today, mga ka-faith, minsan pinapayagan ni Lord ang delay. Hindi para i-deny ka, kundi para i-develop ka. In your pain, He's planting purpose. In your loss, He's teaching you to lean on Him. In your setback, He's setting the stage for a greater comeback. Kaya huwag kang susuko dahil ang test mo ngayon, testimony mo bukas. Sabi sa Micah chapter 7 verse 8, "Do not rejoice over me, my enemy. When I fall, I will arise." Ibig sabihin, kahit bumagsak ka, may pag-asa pa kasi may Diyos na bumabangon sa iyo. Remember this, yes, may bagyo, pero may pagsikat din ng araw. And today, let's rise because your setback is your setup for a supernatural comeback. Una, refocus your heart. Stop looking at what hurt you. Start looking at who's healing you. Huwag mong hayaang yung pain ang magkontrol ng puso mo. Let God fix what's broken. And next, increase your faith. When nothing seems to work, trust pa rin si Lord. His delay is not denial. Minsan, tinatagal ni Lord kasi may mas maganda siyang plano. And then, stand again. Yes, nadapa ka, pero hindi pa tapos. Every fall is a lesson. Tumayo ka ulit dahil si Lord hindi sumusuko sa iyo. And lastly, expect God's best. Don't expect defeat. Expect God's victory. Kapag nagtitiwala ka sa Kanya, your comeback will not just surprise people. It will glorify God. So don't stay down. Rise. Your setback is your setup for your supernatural comeback. This is Pastor Francis. Like, follow, and share para ma-encourage din ng iba. God bless. Shalom.